If your Fortnite voice chat is not working, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is check your voice chat settings. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the settings tab, audio and voice chat. This is where you want to simply go ahead and make sure that voice chat is on. The voice mic method is going to be open mic, or you could also put a shortcut if you want to, and voice chat input device and output should be selected as well. Now, once you've done that, ensure that your mic is connected and properly working. Make sure that the mic isn't muted and check mute switch or button. If that is not the case, you might need to adjust your volume chat in the settings and audio as well, because there is going to be voice chat audio settings. Now, if that is not the case, you want to also check your party settings. So ensure that you are in a party and the voice chat is enabled. Open the menu options and then go to person party and make sure that voice chat is on right over here. Now, once you've done that and it still doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and check your platform for voice chat settings. Try switching from PC to PS or so on and so forth if that is causing you problem. If that is not the case, you might need to restart your Fortnite and update your PS5. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and check your Epic Game server status and it should be working. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.